Do it again. Ready?
Christopher, look at Daddy.
Set.
Go! Woo!
Okay, let's do it again. Ready?
You gonna go again, Christopher?
Okay, come here. You want to do it yourself? No. Okay.
He needs his brick. Uh-oh.
Seriously?
Where'd the sled go?
You don't want to go sledding anymore?
I think he does. Yeah.
Ready? Hold this. Ready?
1,
Set.
2,
Go!
3. Woo! Oh.